acid. CH3COOH is the weak acid. And the strong base, which is the strong base now? Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. When the acetic acid is treated with the sodium hydroxide, now there will be formation of the sodium acetate, potassium cyanide, sodium carbonate. All these are the salt now which are belonging from the salt derived from the weak acid and the strong base. Fourth type is given, salt derived from the weak acid and the weak base. Which is the weak acid? Acetic acid is the weak acid. Ammonium hydroxide is the weak base. When the acetic acid and the ammonium hydroxide are reacted, now there will be formation of the ammonium acetate, ammonium cyanide. Now this group, these are the example of the hydrolysis salt. The salt, how the salt form? It is nothing but the neutralization reaction. See, your concept of the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of the salt is defined as the reaction in which cation or anion or both the ions of the salt react with the ions of the water and to produce the acidity and the alkalinity. What is the meaning of why they are written? The basicity is there, alkalis are there. What is the meaning of the alkalis? Alkalis which are dissolved in a water. पानी के अंदर क्या होते हैं? वो dissolved होते हैं student. So it is the concept of a salt of the strong acid and the strong base is here. Sodium chloride, dissociation, formation of sodium ion, chlorine ion now will be here. Now it will be reacted NaOH plus HCl and treated in aqueous solution water, hydronium ion, sodium ion, chloride ion and the OH ion. And afterwards binding these two words, cation and the anion, there will be formation of sodium chloride student. Salt of strong acid and the weak base. Salt of the weak acid and strong base. And the last one, that is the salt of weak acid and weak base. Now यहाँ तक मैंने क्लास में explain किया था. Now my the new topic, that is a new point from the ionic equilibrium. It is the buffer solution. Buffer solution is a very important concept in our chemistry today. What is the meaning of the buffer solution? Now the solution in a small amount which will be resist the pH. जो pH की वैल्यू क्या करता है स्टूडेंट? चेंज करता है. Small amount थोड़ा भी अगर हम लोग ऐड करेंगे तो buffer solution is defined as a solution which resists drastic change in a pH when a small amount of the strong acid or a strong base or a water is added to it. When you added the strong acid, strong base, otherwise it's salt, so now their pH will be changed. There will be drastic change in a pH. एसिड का हमें बेस करना है, बेस का हमें एसिड करना है, न्यूट्रल करना है, तो उसके लिए हम लोगों के पास एक ही कंसेप्ट है एंड द नेम ऑफ द कंसेप्ट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बफर सॉल्यूशन स्टूडेंट. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ द बफर, acidic buffer and the basic buffer. What is the acidic buffer is given? A solution that is a weak acid and its salt with a strong base is called as the acidic buffer. अब देख सकते हो यहाँ पे a solution containing the weak acid CH3COOH acidic acid और उसी का salt है sodium acetate. And because of that यहाँ पे हमें एक equation मिला हुआ है that is called as the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. क्या दिया है देखो स्टूडेंट, Hasselbalch equation pH is equal to pKa plus log of 10 salt upon acid. Now for pOH के लिए क्या दिया हुआ है? pOH is equal to pKb plus log of 10 salt of base is given student. It's a very important question. What is the buffer solution and explain the types of the buffer. तो एक बफर है आपका एसिडिक बफर और दूसरा बफर कौन सा है आपका स्टूडेंट? बेसिक बफर. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन बोथ द डेफिनेशन, दोनों का एग्जांपल. यहाँ पे देखो एसिडिक एसिड आप शॉर्ट में भी लिख सकते हो CH3COOH and CH3COONA. एसिडिक एसिड एंड सोडियम एसिटेट, इट्स अ मिक्सचर. सेकेंड वन हम लोग लेंगे यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन कंटेनिंग द weak base अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस अमोनियम क्लोराइड. इन दोनों का मिक्सचर अगर हम लोग लेंगे तो उसको हम लोग कहेंगे बेसिक बफर. और यहाँ पे एसिडिक एसिड है सोडियम एसिटेट का अगर हम लोगों ने मिक्सचर लिया तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे स्टूडेंट? इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ एसिडिक. And according to that one we can find out the proper pH pH value of the solution. Now the scientist ने work किया हुआ है और हमें equation दिया हुआ है. What is the name of the scientist? Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. Now pH is equal to pK value plus log of 10 salt upon acid for the acidic buffer and for basic buffer के लिए क्या आएगा स्टूडेंट? pOH is equal to pKb plus log of 10 salt upon base. So according to that one we can be अगर distinct will be पूछा so we can be write down their equations, formulas will go and definition as well as you have to write down the mixture. Again see that now dash mixture MCQ में भी question पूछ सकते हैं. Acetic acid plus sodium acetate is the dash buffer. Acidic buffer, basic buffer or neutral buffer. So we can be say that it will be the acidic buffer. Here is the question: ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. Mixture of ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride is there. तो इस mixture को हम लोग कहेंगे students, it is called as a basic buffer student. So according to that word, you write down both the definition, दोनों के examples, and you have to write down the Hasselbalch equation. So here you can be easily find out the pH and the pOH value of your given solution. Now see that how the buffer will be act now. See your first one. CH3COONH sodium acetate salt of weak acid, and when it will be dissociate you will get the acetate ion and the sodium ion will be here. Now why it is called as a weak one? It is not completely dissociated. This ion it is an undissociated ion. कौन सा आयन है यहाँ पे? एसिटेट आयन. एसिटेट आयन completely dissociate नहीं होता है स्टूडेंट, and because of that one we can be say that it will be the concept of the weak acid. तो वीक एसिड को हम लोगों को स्ट्रॉन्ग में कन्वर्ट करना है, उनकी इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स हम लोगों को क्या करना है स्टूडेंट? इंक्रीज करना है. तो इसके लिए हम लोगों को एक कंसेप्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज द बफर एक्शन. Let us consider sodium acetate, acetic acid buffer. Now here sodium acetate is a strong electrolyte which dissociate completely in a water. You will get a large concentration of acetate ion. Now since the acetic acid is a weak acid and then the concentration of undissociated CH3COOH molecule is usually high, and if a strong acid is added to the solution, your H plus ion will be consumed by the conjugate. Conjugate, that means it's a pair of the base acetate in a large concentration. So if the small amount of the base is added to the OH ion will be neutralized by the large concentration of acetic acid. You can see that in a reaction, acetate plus the hydrogen ion, you will get the acetic acid. Here we get the acetate ion and the water molecule. So in this way, remaining unchanged dilution does not have any effect of the pH. The effect अगर नहीं हो रहा है, it will not change their acidic and the basicity. So we can be say that it will be the neutral action will be there. So it's very important. What is the buffer? Buffer क्या होता है? पहले फिर से मुझे बताओ. Yes, read करो जल्दी. चतुर पढ़ो क्या दिया है? All of you understood? A small amount of the solution which raises the pH. जो pH value change करेगा. pH value that means acidic का basic, basic का acidic, acid basic into neutral. Small amount add करने के बाद भी अगर उसका concentration change हो रहा है, so such a type of the solution that is called as a IIT में कोई IIT में जो chemical engineers थे उन्होंने buffer solution का use करके now they are to hatching the eggs poultry farm में इसका बहुत बड़ा उन्होंने invention किया हुआ है कि they are using the electricity for hatching the eggs now. तो अभी वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? They are using the buffer solutions. The buffer का you have to change the inside the protein, but albumin is there. So you change the pH value of the buffer. So a lot of there is so many inventions and the process will be carried out in a बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है ये बफर सॉल्यूशन का. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारा रिसर्च बाकी है स्टूडेंट्स और चालू है अभी आपको वही IIT में. Types of buffer, acidic buffer and the basic buffer. तो इसके सॉल्यूशन याद रखो, एसिटिक एसिड एंड सोडियम एसिटेट, यहाँ पे अमोनियम क्लोराइड एंड अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, एंड देन द एक्शन ऑफ द बफर, हाउ इट विल बी द एक्टिव नाउ। समझ में आ गया? इसका सॉल्युबिलिटी का प्रोडक्ट बाकी है, देन आई विल टेक इन अ नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। अब एक लाइन से जाओ।